paper. So I'll come first one you just read. So who may be the first one to present the papers? हाँ लैपटॉप ले लेते हैं. हाँ next one I want to just call the paper presentation. Sheet is there, no? So we have taken a paper presentation. Miss Ekta Gupta, please do your presentation. So you have more time to avoid the daytime. So it take around 6 to 7 minutes only. Sorry for giving less time for you. I think we should give more time for you, but there is lack of time. So another minutes we have to complete. 6 to 7 minutes each. You can have this one. Maybe slide. Next previous.
Okay, fine. Students, please give me just 5 minutes. Please, this is only for you. Myself, Ekta Gupta. I am an assistant professor in IT from CPJ, and my paper title is Cyber Security. These are the outlines of my paper. Please read the lines that I marked with colored. It will help you to understand my paper. First of all, we will know what is security. Security is the degree of resistance to protect from any harm. Computer security is also known as the cyber security or IT security is the information security that is applied to computer and computer networks. So, what is computer security? It refers to the technology that is used to implement to secure your operating systems. To achieve your system to protect from harm, you need the following 5 activities. The first activity is think before you click. You have seen the video of Mr. Partha Sarthi. He had given an example that be careful when you receive any emails. Don't click on the don't respond or click on the download files which are suspicious. As Mr. Waghbare also give an example, Mr. Mohinder also give an example. Please be careful when you receive any attachment or any email. He had given an example that you have received an email when you that you have win the lottery of $1 million or £1 million. It is justly pure given to hack your computers. Mr. Mohinder suggests you we have so many things but we don't use the softwares. हम इतने सारे सॉफ्टवेयर है but हम उन लोगों को अपडेट ही नहीं करते हैं. Please update your softwares. Please update your softwares smoothly and regularly. It will help you to protect your computer system from any harm. Especially when you are using when you are working on your Microsoft Apple operating system, that really needs our security patches, and check that your software is also up to date time to time and regularly. Always use the latest version of the web browser. Always take the backup of your files because your system may crash, your hard disk may crash, your system may be harmed with some viruses. Take help of any USB, CDs or DVDs. Take whatever the data that you want to secure, just put it into some other media, some external media. Whenever you are using the Wi-Fi connection, you have to be careful because it will directly point to your system, use a WPA, that is wireless protect access 2, that is used to protect your data from any harm. Don't think twice before using when you are using Wi-Fi connections to dealing with bank or buy any things, or when you are using any commercial purpose. Think twice ki whether you have to click on that links or not. Always use a strong password. Don't use your nickname, your family pet name, or a sequence number like 1 2 3 4 5. Just try to use a 15 character long password that use of mix of uppercase, lowercase, numbers, symbols, etc. As I shown the example of password. Change your password regularly and try to use different password at the different machines. And don't use your password for online banking, social networking profile, internet auction account, email services, because it will easily hack your computer. So what is the importance of cyber securities? As we have a vulnerable scams or data theft, hundreds of millions records have been involved in data breaches. New attacks method are launched continuously. So these are just an example that we need the cyber security. So we conclude that if we use the cyber security, we protect our system from any malicious virus. Cyber security is also an essential component of national security. Most of the companies use the cryptographies, but a good cryptography is that no one crack your system, but the small scale or the middle scale industries use the outdated algorithm, short keys, and the weak password. So cryptography has to be implemented properly. A tiny mistake can undermine the entire system. The Singapore defense scientists also support the cyber security promotion. There are two government bodies that work with this. First is DSTA, Defense Science and Technology Agency, and MINDEF, Ministry of Defense, promotes the cyber security among the youth. So I conclude that the global independence on the internet expands day by day. Hundreds of millions of websites are hacked. So we need a cyber security to protect our systems, and to deal with the complex networks of organization and transnational flows of material and information. Thanks. So I think it will help you that think the major part of my slide is that think twice when you receive any emails, attachments. Please don't try at home. Don't download any suspicious mails or the mails that you have not recognized, or the mails coming from some unauthorized persons. So this is the main motive of the cyber securities. So you are the people that who can protect the cyber security. No one other than protect the cyber security. Only you people protect your system, protect your data from own self. Okay, fine.
Thank you, madam. Miss Vani Garg.
invited guests of the session, faculty members and other delegates, a very warm good afternoon. Today the topic of my presentation is Security System Management System, Cyber Security Management Systems, Objective Threats and Countermeasures. As stated by Newton Lee, as the world is increasingly interconnected, everyone shares the responsibility of securing cyberspace. Cyberspace is highly dynamic. Every day new threats are created because of it. So there is a need for securing cyberspace. In present day scenario, many things are dependent on computer and internet. Communication, entertainment, transportation, shopping, medicine, everything relies on computer and internet. This information and technologies and environment is called cyber. Though cyber is so important, there is a need for securing cyberspace. Cybersecurity. Cybersecurity refers to the technologies to protect computer networks and data from unauthorized access, vulnerabilities and attacks delivered via the internet by cyber criminals. A security model describes the confidentiality, integrity and availability requirements of a system. Objectives of cyber security management system. Availability, integrity, confidentiality and trust are the objectives. Availability, ensuring timely and reliable access to the use of information as disruption may undermine the service delivery. For example, in banks or ATMs, if the server is down, the user is not able to avail the information timely. Integrity, guarding against improper information modification or destruction to ensure information non-repudiation and authenticity. Confidentiality, preserving authorized restrictions on information access and disclosure to protect personal privacy and proprietary information. This is in particular necessary to prevent unauthorized disclosure of information that is not open to the public or individual. Trust. Trust is the process of convincing observers that a system was correct and secure. Types of cyber attacks. Attacks can be categorized as passive or active. Passive, when a network intruder intercepts data traveling through the network. Active, when the intruder initiates commands to disrupt the network normal function. Need for cybersecurity. Network outages, data compromised by hackers, computer viruses and other incidents affect our daily lives in a way that ranges from inconvenience to life threat. As the number of mobile users, digital applications and data network increases, so do the opportunities for exploitation. Government, military or corporation, financial institutes, hospitals and other business collect, process and store a great deal of confidential information on computers and transmit that data across networks to other computers. With a growing volume and sophistication of cyber attacks, ongoing attention is required to protect sensitive business and personal information as well as safeguard national security. During a US Senate hearing in March, the officials warned that cyber attacks and digital spying are the top threats to national security, eclipsing terrorism. Tools for cyber security. Firewalls. Firewalls provide protection against outsider attackers by shielding your computer or network from malicious or unnecessary internet traffic. Firewalls can be configured to block data from certain locations while allowing the relevant and necessary data through. Types of firewalls. The firewalls can be categorized as hardware or network firewalls and software or operating system built-in firewalls. Hardware or network firewalls. These external devices are positioned between your computer or the network or your cable or DSL modem. Many vendors and some internet service providers offer devices called routers that also include firewall features. Software or operating system built-in firewall. They provide another layer of protection even if the system has an external firewall. It is better to install firewall from CD or DVD because of the risk associated with the downloading software. Antiviruses. Antiviruses scan your files or computer memory for certain patterns that may indicate an infection. The pattern it looks for are based on the signature or the definition of the known viruses. Virus authors are continually releasing new and updated virus, so it is important to install the latest definition on the computer. The viruses scan your computer periodically. They can be automatic scans or manual scan. Network security. Network security consists of a provision that a policy is adopted by a network administrator to prevent and monitor unauthorized access, misuse, modification or denial of a computer network and network accessible resources. Users choose or assign an ID or password or authenticating information that allows access to the information and programs within their authority. Depending upon the need, the authentication factor can be classified as simple or complex. In simple, it has one-factor authentication in which a username and a password is given, and in complex there are two-factor or three-factor authentication. Two-factor authentication along with ID and password, a token or a dongle and an ATM card or a mobile phone is used. In three-factor authentication, along with the ID and password, fingerprints or retinal scan are used. The conclusion is, ensuring cybersecurity is an important and a complex task, as it is to deal with the strategies developed by ingenious agents determined to penetrate and disrupt systems by exploiting vulnerabilities at multiple layers of the protocol stack. In order to identify foundational principles of a cybersecurity, a strategic research approach is absolutely essential. Tools and the techniques from related disciplines of network science, graph theory, statistical mechanics, data mining, etc. have the potential to help to develop a comprehensive science of cybersecurity. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. So we'll come to the conclusion of the session now. So I hope you might have learned a little bit of more now. So always think that it's the programming, simple programming is one thing, and in order to build a career, you have to become better programmer or better network security analyst, and you have to inculcate those skills. And you visit the security websites of SANS, CERT, and other website security. So securing is more difficult, hacking is more easier. Just appreciate this point. And for the hacking, you will get a jail term of 3 years and a capital punishment of 1 lakh rupees if I catch you. We catch 99% of the hackers. Whenever we see the attacks, we catch them, but we don't prosecute because this is not. We see that when we real time track, these are the college students or the students, and they don't know the consequences of the hacking. But more severe problem the country faces is more complex malicious codes, theft of the information. But you have trying these things, but you have to learn hacking in order to prevent hacking. I am a certified ethical hacker. I have done this certification in 2004, and Mohit is a hacker. But you have to use these skills to defend the website, secure the website, and then build more defense system so that you can better pay and you can continue. Because if you keep on going and hacking the websites and doing the things, there is a higher chance of getting arrested. But if you see the vulnerabilities and report properly responsibility to the law enforcement or a website owner, then you will better chances of earning more money. Okay, finding out a zero-day vulnerability in Internet Explorer or Adobe, you can earn lakhs of dollars. If you find out a particular zero-day vulnerability in a Internet Explorer or any client-side application or kernel application, and even security websites and vendors such as Microsoft, Google, they announce prizes also. So it is very easy to get visibility to the international community by participating in the hacking challenges. Go and explore the website of SANS and others. Try to crack the hacking challenge. If you are able to hack the crack challenge, just email to me. Our mails are there on the website www.site-org.in. Your course coordinator will give you our website. You can just email to me that I have done the cracking challenge, and there is a better opportunity of building a career in this point. Once you grow into this career of 5-6 years, then you can become a chief information security officer of a number of our colleagues who have worked with us in the starting. They have now become a country manager, vice president level in IBM, British Telecom, Google, Microsoft, everywhere they are there. Thank you. All the best.